Fatalities from 4-vehicle crash in St. Anne identified. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Investigators from the St. Anne Traffic Department are probing the circumstances surrounding the fatal collision that claimed the life of two men and a woman on the Duns River Main Road in the parish on Wednesday, April the 4th. Dead is 41-year-old Robert Muir, 55-year-old Christopher White, and 42-year-old Karen Browning of Bacon Hill, Thompson Pen in St. Catherine. Reports are that at around 8:30 p.m., three vehicles were traveling in an easterly direction along the Duns River Main Road in St. Anne when the driver of a white Range Rover, which was proceeding in the opposite direction, reportedly failed to keep left and collided with all three vehicles coming in that direction. The police were summoned, and on arrival, the injured persons who sustained multiple injuries were assisted to hospital, where Muir, White, and Browning were pronounced dead. The investigation continues. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.